Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to send Google Drive files to email. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, in Gmail, click on Compose. Now you'll find a Drive icon right here. It says Insert Files using Drive. So just go ahead and click on it and it will open up your Google Drive storage. Now go ahead and select the file that you wanted to include to the email. Click on it, and once it pops out, go ahead and click on Add as an attachment or add in as a link, right? So for example, attachment right here, wait a bit. And then once that's done, add in your subject, the recipients, and then just click on send. Another option, you can go ahead and go to Google Drive right here, for example. Now right click on the specific file. Now go ahead and click on share and share, okay? Now make sure that the access right here is anyone with a link. Now you can go ahead and copy the link and send it to them manually, or you can just go ahead and type down their email from here. Once done, go ahead and click on send, and then after that, you're good to go as well. That's how easy it is to send Google Drive files to email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.